Resetting the Galaxy S24 Messages settings restores the app to its default configuration, which can resolve issues like app crashes or lag by clearing cache and data. Here's how you do it. First, open the Settings app. Next, swipe up to find apps and tap on it. Scroll through the list until you find Messages, then tap on it. On the Messages app info screen, tap on Storage. Now, tap Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data. Confirm the action by tapping Delete. This simple process will immediately reset the Messages app to its default settings, which should resolve any issues you were facing. Alternatively, you can also access this screen by long pressing the Messages app icon on your home screen until options pop up. Then tap on App Info, followed by Storage, and proceed to clear the cache and data from there. Although this is a straightforward procedure, it can fix many problems like app crashes and slowdowns while messaging. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.